So this is my 72-inch rolling cabinet. We've got the main drawer here with our half-inch sockets, impact sockets with shallow, deep, half-inch sockets. Go from 1 1/8. Yeah, there we go. 1 1/8 down to, what is it? 3/8. Got our shallow and deep, metric, imperial. Next drawer, we got our ratchets, our U-joints, extensions. We've got our, what is this? 1/4 inch wrench up to 1 1/8 over there. In their 1/16 increments, I think. And we got some more wrenches, metric wrenches from 6mm up to, what is it, 22? The only one that's missing, the only one that wasn't in the set, it's not missing, is the 20mm. That's an odd size. We got our Allen keys. Allen's for us on our ratchets. Some more wrenches if we need a double. Those are the main common sizes they got there. Now we got our 3/8 and 1/4 inch common sizes. Well, pretty much everything you need. Then if you need to change the oil on a truck, you got your size 12 hex. You just put that on your 3/8. Pull the oil pan plug out. Got the ratcheting wrenches. Got our air tools. Ratcheting wrenches. Got our, what is that? Screwdriver. Got attachment for the screwdriver if we want to put on a socket. So 3/8 and 1/4 inch. And in the bottom we've got, so these are kind of neat. These are universal sockets. So just a little different on the inside. They can fit your imports and any kind. Square nut, whatever you got. Here we got our torque wrench, bleeder kit. We got our grease gun, soldering iron. Tire inflator, if you're doing an inside tire in a truck, or if you're just inflating one in a, if you're inflating in like a cage, just lock that on the valve. Got your trigger, your gauge, and your dump. You've got hard to reach grease fitting. Extra pressure gauge, if that one breaks. Torque wrench, bleeder kit. Now, up here we've got, well, here's my, what, like Crayola pen? What do you call it? My Sharpie peel-off marker. My felt, my pen, my black paint marker, and my white paint marker, plumber's tape, little razor blade if you want to cut some stickers off, my custom earplugs, a couple 25-footer, lots of air fittings, lots of air fittings, plug, Allen wrenches, and cobalt drill bits. So we've got, what, size 1/4 inch to a couple of 1/16. Some more Allen keys. Oh, snap my flashlight. My screwdrivers, all kind of screwdrivers you need. Got a ratcheting screwdriver with every kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. So every kind of accessory you could need. Then I got little screwdrivers. These are basically for your eyeglasses, but I use this for cleaning out the plug on your hubs if you're working on a truck. And then you got your valve screwdriver. You want to pull a valve out of the valve stem on your tires. Valve caps. And what do we got here? Oh, adjustable wrenches, vice grips, mini needle nose vice grips, large vice grips, medium vice grips, needle nose pliers, more pliers, snips, adjustable wrench, personal protective equipment. I've got what, 4 pairs of glasses, leather, brand new leather, gloves if you might be moving around tires, don't want to get your hands dirty. I've got, oh, those are the bolts. And we've got mechanics gloves, Terra brand new again. We've got, well, light duty welding goggles for acetylene. We've got rubber gloves if you're cleaning bearings. We've got dust mask earplugs. I've never used those. Got a box of earplugs. Let's see. This is what they look like, little foam ones. And last drawer, sort of my supplies. Pull that stuff out. So, these are the handles for the toolbox. I pulled them off, so it's not so obvious what it is once it's in storage. We've got our Permatex anti-seize. Pull that out. This is the good stuff. Permatex anti-seize. That's, oh, brand new, full. You can't really see in there, but it's brand new, hasn't been used. And that's the good stuff. You don't want to use the other stuff, the orange and black container, made in Canada. That stuff actually dries out and makes it harder to pull the nuts and bolts off of your shocks. Got your wire spindle, your sandpaper spindle, small wire spindle, little cutting blades for your angle grinder, polishing, cutting blade, sanding blade, zip ties, Permatex silicone, permanent thread sealant, so liquid thread, and you got your rubber mallet, your mini handheld sledgehammer, ball peen, and this one, I got my clipboard, my wire brush, got my air tool oil, disc brake, quiet disc brake, penetrating oil, got my water bottle and liquid soap for finding holes in tires. What's that? We got grease, we got hand cleaner, got brake cleaner, got my electrical box, got my angle grinder, got my air tool kit, extra set of wrenches in case you break anything, paper towel, wipe off the hand cleaner. My electrical box has got, I'll show you that. So we got our multimeter, got our automatic wire stripper, we've got a good pair of wire cutters, channel lock. They work perfectly. Got a little X-Acto knife, got a butane torch for soldering, got a solder, got heat shrink tube up here and zip ties, and other than that, 72-inch stainless steel with wood top that's got epoxy on it, seal off the wood so it's nice and hard, it's not going to absorb any chemicals, and you can hammer on it. So that's about it. 72 inches, 10 drawers. Let's take a look at these drawers. These drawers are what? 15.5 inches wide on the short ones. And big ones, they're just 34 inches wide. These ones, the top 3 are single caster, and the bottom 2 are, well, that one's single. The bottom one, well, you can see over there. I've also got a jack stands, What else? Oh, I got a digital impact wrench, electronic, torque controlled, and got some shop stools, snap-on stool, and that stuff's, yeah, okay. That's all. That's my toolbox.